Hi everyone, I'm Jerry here with my son, and we were actually just sent this cool label maker or tattoo maker, which is kind of fun for temporary tattoos, of course. And you simply download their little app here. It says Luck Jingle. Click on that, and you get a lot of options. But turning this on, it automatically found this, and this is cordless. You can charge it up, but you can take this with you, take it out to sporting events, games, whatever. My son really likes soccer, so you can click and make labels. I've already made a label for like a Wi-Fi symbol. So if you're like in a store, you can do that. Or to do these, you can hit materials, and you've actually got all these different ones that you can do, and you can color them in, which is a lot of fun. He really wanted to do a soccer ball, so I'm going to print off a soccer ball, print that off, and it's actually going to print it off right down here. And then once it's done printing, we can actually just tear that off. And then he can actually color this in, which is kind of fun. So just go ahead and color the whole thing blue for the video. As I was doing that, I'm going to show you a couple other things here real quick here. You've also got, like I said, these labels that you can do in here under your home. You can also import your own pictures. You can do all kinds of different stuff on this, though. I mean, it's just a lot of different options. Label prints. You can customize it. You've got label templates that you can do all kinds of different label templates in there. They also do send you with this here for the tattoo portion. This is transfer paper. This is what allows you to do the temporary tattoos. So as he's finishing up that right there, we're going to go ahead and get a wet towel ready here, because that's how we're going to get it moved off. Okay, bud. So now that you got it colored, maybe you colored a picture, a dinosaur, whatever the case is, you got this transfer paper. Now all it's got a little tab on the bottom here. You're going to peel this part off, and this is the temporary tattoo part here. You're going to put it on over the top of this here, and then simply do that. Then you can go ahead and cut out your design onto here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out real quick. And of course you can be as detailed as you want to be with this. And then peeling this off here, it's going to leave the sticky part on this little soccer ball. Then I'm going to put this on his arm, and then you got to use a water piece to actually get this transferred over. So where do you want it? You want the hand, arm, back of your hand? So it's going to stick that on there. And now that we've got that stuck on there, you're just going to use a wet cloth and just simply put it on there like this. That's going to transfer it on. And this is going to last for quite a while. You can get it off with just rubbing alcohol, but once that's on there, just going to simply peel this part off, and it's going to come off of here, and I will show you how this is going to look here. So there you go. Now you've got his tattoo, temporary tattoo. He personally colored. It's on there. Once that dries on there, you can't rub it off. It stays on there. Water doesn't take it off. If you want to get in there with a shower, you can easily do that. It's going to stay on there, so that's really cool. So if you have teams or things like that you want to put their team numbers on for a sporting event, or you want to have something like that, it's a lot of fun. Simple rubbing alcohol takes it right off, so it's not permanent. It's a lot of fun, and you can customize it to your advantage.